Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to discuss about the failure of wave theory of light. Okay, so किस वजह से failure हुआ? Wave theory of light it is going to fail. What are the reasons? What are the reasons for failure of wave theory? So before going to have our photoelectric effect, there will be your wave theory of light जनरेट हुआ था. मतलब wave theory, according to wave theory, what are the light nature? According to photoelectric effect, according to particle theory, what are the nature of light? Okay. So again, we have discussed photoelectric effect as a particle nature of light. So why not it can express wave nature of light? So based on this wave nature of light, based on particle nature, photoelectric effect. So this bifurcate your main reasons there. So why photoelectric effect cannot be explained on the basis of wave theory? मतलब wave nature of light. So what is light? Light can be expressed in two ways. It is a form of energy by which we can see the sensation. Okay. So again light के बारे में हम अलग रेडिएशन के बारे में बोल सकते हैं. Light is a wave nature. Okay. So why this photoelectric effect? Why we cannot explain according to wave nature of light? So based on wave theory, तो based on wave theory क्या बोलता है और photoelectric effect क्या बोलता है देखना है. तो फर्स्ट wave theory क्या बोलते हैं? आपको अगर से photoelectric effect होना है तो there should be maximum kinetic energy of electron that is proportional to intensity of light radiation. Okay, so you want to have photoelectric effect means you have to need maximum kinetic energy which is proportional to intensity of light based on wave theory. But according to photoelectric effect, maximum kinetic energy is independent of intensity. But यहाँ पे intensity की कुछ भी जरूरत नहीं है. Okay, independent of intensity. So second, photoelectric effect takes place for frequencies of radiation. Okay, so according to wave theory क्या होता है? So photoelectric होना मतलब हमारे क्या चाहिए? Frequencies. So that are the frequencies which are in proportional of radiation. According to photoelectric effect, why the nature of the photoelectric effect does not take place below the threshold frequency. Okay, अगर से आपको threshold frequency ज़्यादा रहा, that means more the frequency to escape the electrons. That means above the threshold frequency there is possibilities of photoelectric effect. Okay, so third reason is the electron. That is an electron in a metal surface. जो भी electron आपका रहेगा metal surface के अंदर, the alkali metals which have the free electrons. So this electron in a metal surface will absorb some amount of time. उसके लिए कुछ टाइम लगेगा. वो टाइम के हिसाब से क्या है? The electrons will escape out from the metal. So according to wave theory, okay, so different scientists ने बताया so wave theory है, the wave theory, Heisen's wave theory, Maxwell's electromagnetic wave theory. So these are the main reasons by which the wave of light will be formed. Okay, so according to this photoelectric effect, the photoelectric effect is instantaneous within the fraction of second, within the time lag of 10 power minus 9 second. 10 power minus 9 second. So electrons will be ejected out. So these are the main reasons for the particle nature of light can be explained by photoelectric observation. So based on this photoelectric observation, the light can be treated as particle nature, not a wave nature. So this is the main theme behind the photoelectric observation. Okay, so इसके बारे में हम पढ़ चुके हैं. photoelectric effect किसके लिए डिपेंड होता है? So that are independent of intensity. First observation, that are above the threshold frequency there is possibilities of photoelectrons due to the frequency above the threshold frequency. Next, photoelectric effect is instantaneous process within the fraction of 10 power minus 9 second. The electrons will escape out from the metal surface when suitable intensity of light falls on metal surface. These are the main observations on photoelectric effect that gives the particle nature of light behind this theory. this gives the theory of light as a particle nature according to photoelectric observation of a light. Okay, so further we are going to discuss in terms of Einstein's photoelectric equation. So there is somewhat discussion will be there for the photon collision between metal surface. When we have to apply certain amount of energy to the metal surface, there will be the collision between the metal surface and the photons of incident radiation. So according to law of conservation of energy, so according to law of conservation of total energy is equals to sum of this work function and kinetic energy. Again we are going to discuss photon, the particle nature of light, and discuss in terms of photonic energy, the characteristics of photons, dual nature of light, the wavelength which is in proportionality. That is the observations for this theory. Again we will going to discuss firstly Einstein's theory, next photon, next wave theory. Okay, dual nature of light theory.